I got left behind. It's a bit bumpy and hard to drive on this stuff with two people, so I'm walking the sketchy parts. Yay, Adventure Day!
Welcome. We're Kevin and Janine, a Canadian couple who have escaped the rat race and are continuing our dream of slow travel around the world. Subscribe and follow along this season as we cruise Southeast Asia aboard a McConaughey 55 catamaran.
Previously, we arrived in the secret Gilis of Lombok and moved back and forth between Gili Asahan and Gili Gede's Marina del Rey. Today, we rented a scooter to explore the Sekotong area and go all the way to Belongas Bay. Hello, Mr. Goat. Hello, Mr. Goat. I don't have anything for you. Sorry. Gonna have lunch with the little kitty cat. So this morning we're leaving Marina del Rey. We've met up with Don, made a bunch of friends here, and Don is also going the same direction that we are today, heading to Gili Air. So, not to say it's a race, but I think it's a race. He left exactly the same time as us. He saw us leaving. He pulled up his anchor. So we've gone different sides of the island right now. We'll see who comes out ahead and what happens next. Don and Wally are gaining on us. We made it to Gili Air, anchored. Don and Wally have also made it. It's a beautiful day of sailing. Now maybe we go exploring on land. Gili Air, and there's a group of islands here actually. They don't use motorized vehicles on shore. So they've got horses and bicycles and that sort of thing. Fancy little breakfast spot. Actually, so this is Gili Air, and it seems like the whole island is kind of like this. I just heard some swearing from underwater. Kevin is changing the zincs. I'll show you. Putting new ones on. That's the old one. And I heard a whole bunch of swearing. Kevin was popping up over here to the surface because there was a big sea snake swimming towards him. I guess it was hanging out under the boat. Next screw? Okay.
Thank you.
Kind of creepy when the snakes sneak up on you.
Right, so I'm going to do a little spa thing, give you a little tour. Sauna, ice bath. No ice in it, but it's cool. I don't think I'd want ice anyway. And you have a little massage room. Pretty nice. That's the yoga studio.
So today is the Floatchella at Marina del Rey. However, if you look outside, it's really breezy.
Really windy.
Too windy to raft as planned. So instead, everybody's gonna head to the pool. And we'll just have a party at the pool. Right, Bula Man?
That's it. Pool party.
Pool party. Here we go.
I wasn't even recording.
Are you even a content creator?
No, she is.
We're going right here. Sipping on a beer. Chilling on a boat. Staring at the road.
Doing a bit of skurfing today, or wakeboarding, I guess. We've got the wakeboard out there. Oh no! It's because I pulled the camera out. Shouldn't have pulled out the camera. bit of surfski action happening here. Our friends on Viento del Mar letting us use their surfski. I don't know, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, different feel than a sea kayak though.
Yeah. Yes, she's a little tipsy.
Today I'm looking at the air conditioning wiring in the starboard forward cabin. What's happening is that on the air conditioning control panel, I think it's wired backwards. So this is supposed to be maximum fan. Right now you see 3 fan indicators. I go down to 2, it speeds up. I go down to 1, it speeds up even more. Underneath the bed and subfloor, we have this connector box with all these little wires in there. I'm hoping it's just hooked up backwards. So I'm gonna switch the fast wire and the slow wire between the two of them for fan speed and see if that fixes it. This is how it's supposed to be hooked up. You can see down here, fan, minimum, medium, max. I gotta change minimum and max. And hopefully that'll sort it out. All 3 are white, so it might have just been connected wrong. All right, I made the switch with that one traded for that one. Now turn on aircon starboard forward to test. Here we are. Now fan speed low, fan speed medium. Oh my gosh, it worked. Boat project. That worked the first time. Amazing.
What you got there, Kevin?
We got our repaired jib sail from New Zealand. We sent it out for repair because the top tore. So I'm gonna open it up.
Incoming message.
That's my text message or SMS, WhatsApp notification. Anyway.
And you call me a nerd. Our jib sail tore back in May when we were sailing along the coast of Sumbawa. At that time, we took it down and switched it out for the staysail, which actually worked quite nicely. Just you have to furl it if you want to tack. Once we arrived in the Gili Islands, we went to the post office and then shipped the sail to New Zealand, where they repaired it, and now they've just sent it back to us. So we're going to hoist it.
There it is.
So here's our jib sail. We're going to unroll it and inspect it to see the work that they've done.